Hi there, welcome to this video on how to create a simple to-do list website using ChatGPT. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use the powerful ChatGPT language model to generate HTML and JavaScript code for a functional to-do list website. So for this, you have to go to your ChatGPT account, open that, and write the prompt. Write code for a to-do list website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and here press enter. So here you go, we have a to-do list website code. So for running this, you have to go to desktop, create or anywhere, create a new folder, name it as you wish. To do this, I will name it and press enter. So when here you on the Visual Studio Code get started, you can open folder from here, or if you can also open from here, open folder. Now select the folder from where you created it, select folder, open it, and here you go. Now it is empty, you can see. You will create a new file named as index.html, a new file style.css, and a new file script.js. Here you have opened 3 files. Now copy the code from ChatGPT which it provided to you. Go to the desktop and open this file. Here you open this index folder. It will open new window in browser. So here you can see we have created a to-do list website. Let's check how this works. Click on add some tasks, like some task. Through window, I think. Here you can see they are added. Double click it. It removes just removed from the list, and here we have our to-do list website. So guys, hope you like the tutorial on how to create a simple website using ChatGPT, or a simple to-do list website using ChatGPT. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you like the tutorial.